Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how I tint my brows at home using obviously a brow tinting product. The one that I use is the Almay Long Lasting Brow Color. I won't lie, this doesn't last a whole lot of time depending on how much you actually wash your face, but it is a nice little alternative to doing your brows literally every single day because I don't even feel myself unless I have my brows on during the day. So if you guys want to know how I do this, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to start off with my naked brows. Don't judge me for my naked brows. So secondly, I'm going to pluck some of my brow hairs, the ones that I don't want, basically the ones that nobody wants, and let's do that. Step 1, apply a thick coat to brows. Apply a thick coat to the brows, making sure gel reaches skin underneath and in between hairs. Immediately wipe away any product that extends outside desired brow shape. Like for example that. That's why you always have Q-tips handy. Now follow that up on the other brow. Something you can do that I really like doing is to use like a spoolie brush to kind of comb the hairs up to separate them a lot easier. And I know that this looks super intense, but it won't look as intense as it does right now after it's done. Once you've actually got your brows set in place, wait 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, I'll see you again. Now you're just going to simply peel from here, the little start of the arch on your nose, and out. And here we go. As I stated, it will never be as dark as it looks when you actually have the treatment on your face, or on your eyebrows rather, but this is the ending result. It doesn't last too long, which I mean, it is a cheaper product, so just be aware of that. But it does make it quite a bit easier to actually do your brows, because you can leave them like this, or you can continue on with filling them in to any sparse areas. What this does is it basically dyes your hair a little bit darker, like it tints it slightly, but it also helps out with your skin. It dyes your skin as well, so it's going to fill in any sparse areas, but if you do want to reshape them anytime, you can totally do that. But that is it for today's video, and I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!